In the ever-evolving world of real estate, let's take a closer look at the current state of the market here in the Denver metro area. Right now, the month's supply of inventory is on the rise, sitting at about 2.2 months worth of inventory. And you might be asking, what does this really mean for buyers? Well, it's a golden opportunity. We haven't seen opportunities like this in probably about 10 years. You can actually negotiate with confidence by having inspection items repaired, avoid waiving your appraisals, and even getting some concessions from the seller, which you can buy down the high interest rate or get some help for with the closing costs and whatnot. So great opportunities there for buyers. Let's take a deeper dive into some of our numbers here. Our average daily active count is up by 2%, sitting at about 7,068 listings for sale. 887 of those are new listings just in the last week. But here's the twist. New listings have actually dropped week over week by about 10%. And year over year, we're looking at about 11% that they've dropped by. So inventory is going to remain tight through 2023. Pending transactions remained flat compared to last week, with about 755 listings going under contract. The odds of selling have increased slightly to about 42.9% for homes listed in last week, and those go under contract within 30 days or so. But let's put this into perspective. Our odds are currently below the historical average of about 49%. So just to talk a little bit about a balanced market, our 6-month worth supply of inventory, we would actually need 19,706 listings available for sale. And we just don't have that. We have 35.9% of that. So keep that in mind. So we had about 1.5 showings per property last week. On average, it took about 14 showings to go under contract in just 19 days, which is not too shabby. So that's pretty good news for sellers. And also keep this in mind. Sellers, we actually did not have as many price reductions. The price reductions we did have were about 5.9%. And here's an interesting twist. Homes over $1 million have more inventory than we've seen in years. So this actually presents move-up buyers with a phenomenal opportunity. You can sell your average price home and move up with strong potential to negotiate favorable terms with motivated sellers. So keep that in mind. In conclusion, the real estate market is ever changing, as we all know, and right now there are opportunities for both buyers and sellers. If you should have any questions about our current housing market, feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Ryan Huth with the Huth Group, partnered with Keller Williams Advantage Realty. I'd also like to say thank you to Megan Aller from First American Title for sharing all of this data with us. It's super helpful. Have a wonderful day.